Hello, you all. My name is Zachariah, and today I'm going to be talking about prime numbers and how we factor a number. So, what is a prime number? So, prime numbers are numbers that we can only get by multiplying the number itself by the number 1. We remember that, hey, if we take any number and multiply it by 1, we just get that number, right? Uh, so, yeah. But we can get numbers by multiplying other numbers, right? So we could have 2 times 4 and get 8. Or we could have, I don't know, 4 times 2 and get 8. Or 8 times 1 and get 8. Or, yeah. Uh, Let me erase that because that's the same, just in the reverse order. But we have multiple ways of getting 8, right? Let's try 7 now. Okay, so we have 1 and 7, right? That equals 7. What other numbers equal 7? Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, of course does, because that's 7. 8, 9. We'll find that none of the numbers, except for 1 and 7, can multiply together to get 7. So 7 is what we call a prime number. Uh, so we have lots of prime numbers. 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number, if you think about it. 5 is going to be a prime number. 7 is going to be a prime number. Let's see, 11 will be a prime number. 13, 17, 19. These are all prime numbers. One thing you'll notice about all prime numbers except for 2 is they all are odd. And that makes sense because if a number is even, then it's divisible by 2. 2 is an even number that's divisible by 2, but when we multiply 2 by 1, we get 2. So it's also a prime number. So that's important to know. So prime numbers, yep, are numbers that, hey, we can only get them by multiplying numbers that are themselves and the number 1. So why do we care about that? That just seems random. Okay. Well, what we can do is we can break up any number into a sum of prime numbers. So let's take the number 108, for example. This is one of our times tables. It's 12 times 9, right? Yep. So we can break this up into 12 times 9, right? Well, we could also break up 12, right? We could break up 12 into 4 times 3, right? That works. Times, okay, and then we can break up 9 too into 3 and 3, right? Okay, we can't break up 3, again, we can't break up 3, we can't break up 3, but 4, right, we can break that one up too. We can break that into 2 times 2, right? And we can drop these parentheses. We can drop all these parentheses, but I think it's easier to see that, hey, this used to be 4, but so, and then, yeah, we can drop the parentheses, and this right here is equal to 108, and we can do this to any number. We can break it into prime numbers, and that is very helpful for some of these later units. We need to be able to know how to factor numbers. So we could have a number, for example, we could have a number like 50. So you can break 50 into, let's see, you can break that into 5 times 10, right? Uh, you can break up 10 though too, right? You can break that into 5 times 2, right? Can we break up 5 anymore? No, we can't. Can we break up this 5? No, we can't. Can we break up 2? No. So this is going to be 50 fully factored. Some people find it useful to write it in this way. I don't really like this way, but some people find it helpful. So you have 50, right? And then you choose a prime number that you think is going to divide into 50. So, I mean, we already did it, but let's say, okay, we know 50 is even, so let's go with 2. So 50 divided by 2 is going to be 25, right? What's a number we can divide, a prime number we can divide into 25? Let's think, let's go with 5. So 5, or 25 divided by 5 now is 5. And then we can't divide 5 anymore, so we're done. And all of these are factors that we multiply together, and that equals 50. Like I said, being able to factor is very important for other units, so knowing how to do this is incredibly important. I hope that helped. Definitely like and subscribe if it did, and I'll catch you in a different video.